Hey, what's up guys, and Xiaomi just made the Mi CC9 official, so the launch event was in China and Xiaomi just started talking about the new Mi CC9 series. So first they showcased the design with their new color, white lover, blue planet and dark prints, and all these are glass panels which are having some amazing shimmer, look super classy in hands. So the Mi CC9 features a 6.39 inches AMOLED panel with a drop notch which is impressive. It's super bright in daylighting conditions, and that's what Xiaomi says. The next exciting part is the 7th generation optical in-display fingerprint sensor. Also with the AMOLED panel you are getting this always on display, just like what you get with the Samsung Galaxy phones. You have these different customizations, and these small things definitely make a smartphone smart. There is a 40-30 mAh of battery with 18 watt fast charging. Finally Xiaomi has added 30 more. And then Xiaomi compares the CC9 to different phones. That's BS in my opinion. And moving on, the interesting thing is that Xiaomi logo on the back panel is having a sort of light which glows while playing music or playing games. It's something cool. And that's all. The specifications include a 32 megapixel selfie shooter with amazing software features, like there is Memoji. It's sort of animated avatar like thing. Back there's a 48 megapixel sensor and a wide angle lens. Again, Xiaomi has done an incredible job in the software. It can change day to night and night to day. Looks real. Snapdragon 710 SoC, Game Turbo 2.0 is there. There's NFC, IR blaster and all the old but gold things. And now comes the moment you all were waiting for, the pricing. So Xiaomi Mi CC9 is priced at 1799 yuan. That's for 6/64 and 1999 yuan for 6/128, and that makes it 18,000 Indian rupees and $270 for the starting variants. There's a few CC cases, CC bags, and at last the CC9e has same 3D glass panel, 6 inches AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint sensor, a Snapdragon 665 SoC with Adreno 5112 GPU. There's 48 plus 32 megapixel camera and same 40-30 mAh of battery. The interesting part is CC9e 4/64 is priced at 1299 yuan, that's 13,000 Indian rupees, $190 and 1399 yuan for 6/64 and 1599 yuan for 6/128. And yes, that's all. Wait, there's a CC9 Meitu edition also with clean gradient finish, some software modification and better camera with artificial intelligence. And it is priced at 2599 yuan for 8/256. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you guys in the next one, and just don't forget to subscribe because that's gonna help me a lot. I'll meet you guys in the next one, and peace out.